So we're at Neuer Zollhof in Germany. These are the art buildings. There's 3 of them. I saw it last year and then last night at night as well. So we came back in the day to get some better photos of it, how nice it is. So this is just a quick video look at it. So this is the first one. This one's like an illusion the way it goes up. So look at how cool that is. So in person the angles are much more exaggerated. On a phone it looks a bit different. But it's wild to see it in person how it's slanted. And then behind me you can see the tower. So there is 3 of these. So when you're watching this, comment below which one is your favorite. They're all different types of materials, different textures. They're all nice though. So we're gonna do like a full walk around of all of them. So this one's made out of like nude chrome. Very cool. So I don't know if they're like offices or apartments or what they are, but they're very neat. So people come from around the world to see these that are like architecture fans in person. It's very wild seeing these I've seen them in so many magazines, and the angles on these that they're built are like so different from normal places. So this is the 3rd one here. We're gonna do the back side after, because the back side is also nice looking, but this is just this part. So this is the 3rd one. This one's made out of red brick. Really nice to look at. But on a side note, that's an Audi A2. We don't have those in Canada. They're really cool looking. But look at this. All the windows and stuff are so wildly built. How they're on like angles. It's so cool. It'd be really neat to see what these look like inside, like all the rooms and stuff, because all the angles are just peculiar. So now we're walking the back side just to see it. So here's the back. It's even wild how there's like, this part comes out further than this. They really designed this. It's so good. Wow, look at that. Even how it goes in there, it doesn't go straight across. This must have been very hard to build like this. So this is also going to be a different video because this stuff is cool to see as well. So we're on the back side. So this part I think in the summertime is like a patio or a bar. But the rest of them I'm not sure what they are. So this is the building 1 from the back. And then this is the building 2. So you can see the differences in the buildings, like the textures are different. Even the angles are different. On this one they're more round. On this one like they're more like straight and triangular. But it's really pretty how there's these, the tower, and then in the back you have the bridges and all the yachts. I think it's so nice to see all of this. So that's going to be a different video, but first we're going to do, just finish off this one. So here's the back side of the final building. That must have been really hard to build. Wow, there's so many windows here. So this is where we're going to end this video.